Chris, I'm going to do this really fast because the last one that I tried on this to send you on a message was too long. But as you can see, all new floor, all new shoe molding, switch plates, new blinds, light fixtures, receptacles and plates, brand new vinyl floor. When you see the after pictures of these cabinets, you're going to be amazed. This is a dark chocolate brownie. It looks like a wood finish. What I did to these cabinets were unbelievable. If you guys ever kept this apartment, the money we could have saved with this paint, unbelievable. Bleach the countertops and sink. Clean the refrigerator. When I say bleach the countertops, I mean bleach them, cover them with saran wrap, and hit them with a green pad the next day. Just how bad they were. Here's the new floor. You got the hardwood, then you got the kitchen floor that goes right through the kitchen into the bathroom, and then hardwood picks up again in the bedroom. The bathroom, really fast, you can see the difference in the color from here to there. All new tile throughout. I mean, Chris, the work I did, this is the most work that you, me, and your dad have done in a unit in a long time. All new shoe molding throughout. I mean, all the doors have been cut and or planed. I washed his sheets, his drapes, there's new blinds behind them, and every single door had to be cut and or planed for the floor. This was more work than I ever thought it would be once I started.